Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Powfu here, and he's been with us numerous times. So if you like Powfu, make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. And yeah, I would do that if I were a listener and want to play guitar and learn his songs. We have many songs from him here on Growing Guitar. So yeah, feel free. And yeah, we're gonna look at this song called Deathbed Part 2. We haven't covered part 1, so by the way, you can wish for songs here on Growing Guitar, so take the chance to leave a comment for future wishes here. We'll bring them up on Wednesday, so just want to highlight that. Okay, let's go into Deathbed Part 2, and we're gonna use the setup here, capo on 3rd fret. With that, we have 4 different chords, and they go in the same way through the entire song. Let's start with the chords, starting with C, all right? So C goes 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord is this E minor, but we have this with a B in the bass, the B note, so that will be just to hold the 2nd fret, A string, and then all strings down below there are open. So open D, open G, open B, and open E. Next chord is the A minor 7. All right, so you're gonna play open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And then we're gonna end with this F bar chord, where you place your index finger on the 1st fret, you cover all strings there, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. All right, so that will be the chord progression from the beginning till the end. C, the E minor B chord, then A minor 7, and F. Okay, so let's take a look at the strumming now. It's a pretty long one, but very easy anyway. So if you grab the 1st chord C, you're gonna start like this. So down, down, up. And then you continue with up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. So up, down, up for 3 times. And that's the end of the strumming. So down, down, up, and then up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, like this. It's a pretty long one, but very easy anyway. So a couple rounds. Okay, so you're gonna play one of these strumming rounds per chord in the same order we learned them. So C, E minor, A minor, and F, like this. Again. Right, so there you have it, Powfu's Deathbed Part 2. Take a look at it. I think you can get some feeling for it and start to play, bring up the guitar, put the capo on, and yeah, let's do it. Thank you for watching, guys. Until next time, play tuned.